Indian Cybersecurity Solutions presents Hacker News. MSSP eSentire says hackers using LinkedIn profiles for spear phishing. Threat actors are leveraging LinkedIn profiles to target victims with fake job offers that lead to installing a backdoor, warned by a Canadian managed security services provider. Victims clicking on the link to the supposed job offer could end up installing a backdoor known as More Eggs. This could give a hacker remote control over the victim's computer, allowing them to send, receive, launch and delete files, said Waterloo. The attack described by eSentire researchers works like this: a threat actor finds a target on LinkedIn, creates a malicious zip file attachment named after the target's current job. Presumably, the goal is to make the attachment's file name convincing so that a victim will click on it. When they do, a Microsoft Word job application form is downloaded, asking typical questions like name, address, position sought, social security number, education and so on. However, opening the document triggers a process that leads to the stealthy installation of the fileless backdoor called More Eggs. Once loaded, the sophisticated backdoor can download more malicious plugins, providing hands-on access to the victim's computer. Using normal Windows processes to run, it's unlikely to get picked up by antivirus and automated security solutions. The eSentire report notes that the incident it detected is similar to the one described by Proofpoint in 2019. In that report, Proofpoint stated the threat actor used malicious attachments and set up fake websites that impersonated legitimate staffing companies. It also used the same LinkedIn direct mail capability to establish a rapport with the intended victim.